Social media has been around since the early 2000s. MySpace was the first social media site, followed by Facebook in 2004 and Twitter in 2006. Social media sites like these, and many others out there, have had a huge impact on the lives of most people, especially teenagers. While these sites help people keep in touch with friends and family, they can also have detrimental effects. A recent CNN article showed that we are exposed to more and more images of unattainable beauty. It used to be that we saw touched-up actors only on TV and on billboards. Now we see these images and other altered images like that make a person look flawless on social media sites every day. It is estimated that teens spend over 1/3 of their day on social media. It makes one stop and wonder what type of pressure this is putting on teens and all of the comparisons they are making. Research has shown that there is a link between using social media and body image concerns. Attractive, fit people posting on social media may motivate some to live an active lifestyle and stay healthy. They can also increase someone's body dissatisfaction. This can lead to eating disorders and body dysmorphia. It is reported that social media is the leading cause of what impacts how a woman feels about her body. It is second for men. Over half of women feel that their body compares unfavorably compared to the images they see in media. The majority of men feel the same way. Both men and women admit to comparing their bodies to images they see in media. Because young people are spending so much time on social media, researchers are trying to come up with ways to help reduce the harmful influences of it. In Australia, media literacy programs are being put into schools to teach the youth how to use social media appropriately and to increase awareness that social media does not always reflect on reality. The National Eating Disorders Association works with some social media platforms to help people find strength and to get help and treatment. They are working to remove unhealthy feeds and give a link to their website for help. Thank you.